Hi, my name is Han. Welcome to another 100 Drawers video. I updated my 100 Drawers Shopee Fees Calculator Excel template. This video is all about the changes I made in this update. If you are new to this template, please watch other tutorial videos for each module before this video. Links are in the video description or click the card at the top right corner. Previously, the data for Shopee fees was located in the helper columns of Compare Fees tab. Since the Fees Calculator tab is also using this data, I decided to remap them in a much more systematic way. Firstly, the data for Shopee fees is now moved to the Shopee Fees tab. There is also an option to toggle between the fees before and after the fees revision on 19th January 2022. So when you are downloading the reports from the Seller Center, do note that the data before 19th January should not mix with the data after that when doing fees calculator and fees comparisons. Next, I changed the data tab from the invoice generator module into the settings and data for the entire template. The information here is where the users must first update after downloading this template. The seller information is used for invoice generator. The seller status and programs are used for other modules. Seller status and programs can be switched using the drop-down list. For the priority seller programs, due to the nature of contract between the sellers and Shopee, not every priority seller has the same discounts, so users can choose which fee or both fees have discounts. The update for Fees Calculator module is a fun one. First, I reworked the top left table to retrieve fees from the Settings and Data tab. Then I removed the useless SKU weight and the shipping fees columns. Then I added two columns for each fee. One column is for offer percentage for individual orders, and a column to show how much percent the Shopee is charging for that particular order. Offer percentage is used when sometimes we join a certain campaign and get some fees discounts for orders during that period. Or we download the report with several mixed fees. Like in this demo report that I downloaded that has orders from before and after 19th January. I can input a custom percentage for the order to offset the error calculations. Just remember to clear the content of these columns if you are reusing the file next time. As you might have already known, the Fees Calculator module uses an order report. This is because the order report is much more comprehensive for fees calculation. One of the factors is the order report has included the Shopee voucher, the voucher discount bared by Shopee, whereas income report does not include. One downside of using order report is the report duration, which is only limited to 1 month. This shipping fee module had some significant changes during the last update, alongside with the sales report module update. Like I mentioned in the last video, the calculation for overcharged shipping fees has a bug fix, where I forgot to make this value an absolute number. Then I added these columns to summarize how many orders by each courier and how many orders they had overcharged. Below is the list for the refund of overcharged shipping fee adjustment, so our sales report will include the refund as part of the order income. Recently, Shopee systemized the overcharged shipping fee claim process. I included some useful links in here too. The Compare Fees module has some important updates too. Firstly, the seller status and programs is reworked similar to the Fees Calculator counterpart. Users do not need to change the information for the Scenario 1, as it is getting the information from Settings and Data tab. Seller status and programs for Scenario 2 and 3 are customizable for fee comparisons. As a reminder, all white cells are editable. I modified the summary for orders with and without applying the free shipping voucher. This option is to only include the orders with any service fee, so it only takes into account those orders that are charged with a service fee, to better reflect the effectiveness of the free shipping program. The order count here is the total order count in the income report, whereas here is the order count for orders that have any service fee being charged. I added the total commission fee and total service fee. Users can now easily compare the shipping rebate and the service fee. For example, if the shipping rebate is higher than the service fee being charged, it means it is still okay for you to stay on your free shipping program. But otherwise, you might need to reconsider joining the program. This is just one of the factors when we are judging the worthiness of the program. Other factors might be at play for different sellers. As the Shopee fees were revised recently, sometimes we want to compare the cost of the programs before and after the fee revision. So I added the white cell behind the fees for further flexibility. Let's say my shop signed up for 40 ringgit free shipping before the revision, but now is considering switching to 15 ringgit free shipping. As I have more orders before the 19th January, it is important for me to know how much it will cost me if I change the program now, which means comparing the service fee from 2% to 5%. First, we set no in the Shopee fees tab, making the scenario 1 the correct fee amount. Then in the scenario 2, we put 5% in the white cell behind the service fee. Like this, I can have a better picture if I switch from 40 ringgit free shipping to 15 ringgit free shipping. If I were on 15 ringgit free shipping previously, I will roughly pay an extra 80 ringgit. A side note for these fees calculations for these scenarios, it does not take into account miscalculated fees. The sales report and invoice generator did not receive any update this time. To learn more about these modules, check out the links in the video description. I will revisit and make revision tutorial videos for each module, so the information in those tutorial videos is updated. Thank you for watching and thank you for using my template. I hope this template helps you in managing your Shopee shops. Feel free to drop me a comment if you have any questions or suggestions regarding this template. Support me by using the Shopee seller affiliate link in the video description. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Happy Chinese New Year, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!